This is a multi-tool pry bar. We're going to open it and I'm going to make a quick review. So I'm going to turn it around. So, para makita natin yung quality niya. Okay. So first, we weigh. Alamin natin kung how much it weighs. Okay, this small tool only weighs at 52 grams. Okay. And then we measure the length. So the length is 11.5 centimeters. Yung kapal niya or width is more or less 2 centimeters. So it came in with its own carabiner. So maganda kasi madali mo tong maisabit sa pantalon mo o kaya sa bag mo. So handy siya. Hindi mo kailangang ibulsa to actually dahil nga meron siyang built-in carabiner. And because this is a pry bar, ayan yung main talaga niya, tool na hindi lang simpleng pry bar, because naglagay sila ng V-notch dito so that it will also function as a nail puller. Okay siya, di ba? And sabi ko nga this is a multi-tool pry bar. Kasi why not make a multi-tool pry bar, no? I mean, ang ibig ko sabihin dito, yung instead na purely pry bar lang, it makes sense na gawin mo na lang siyang multi-tool pry bar like this one. So this is a wrench. Sinukat ko to, no? This is a 10 millimeter wrench. This is 8 and then this is 6 millimeters. You have this bottle cap opener. And this one, ginagamit ito sa rayos ng gulong ng bisikleta. Yung spokes ng bicycle spokes. Para gusto mong tanggalin or luwagan or ayusin or higpitan. So, aside from being a pry bar, having a wrench, having a bottle cap opener, naglagay din sila ng ng screwdriver. So, papakita ko sa inyo, tanggalin ko lang to, by the way, ito nga palang screwdriver na to is being held by these two rubber bands, heavy duty rubber bands. So, tanggalin ko, So, para mas madali nating makita. So, ito yung kanyang ito yung kanyang mga bits, screwdriver bits kasama. So, you have a Phillips screwdriver bits and a flathead screwdriver bits. And depende sa iyo yan, nakakabili naman kasi nito. Pwede mong palitan kung ano yung gusto mo. Pwede mong ibahin ito yung size or yung klase ng bits na pwede mong ilagay dito. And we have this ratcheting mechanism, ratchet screwdriver mechanism. Ilalagay mo to. Yan. So, pag ganyan ang orientation ko, makakapagluwag ako ng screws. Okay? Pag binaliktad ko siya, I can tighten screws. So, makakapagsikip ako ng screws. Yun. So, it looks like, this particular multi-tool pry bar, stainless steel to Pero I don't think na ito yung stainless steel na matibay sa kalawang Kasi tingin ko medyo may pagka-low grade yung stainless steel na ginamit dito But nonetheless, it's a functional tool. It's very useful, Yan, Oh. So, magandang i-partner ito actually dun sa knife-based multi-tool or pliers-based na multi-tool. So, maganda siyang traveling companion. Yan. And conclusion. Anong conclusion? Well, it's very handy, very lightweight. So it came with its own carabiner. So madali mo tong dalhin. You can carry it anywhere, no problem. The quality is okay. And the only criticism that I have is they could have provided a screwdriver bit with a ball locking mechanism here, no? Yung may bearing, merong ball locking mechanism. Kasi ang problema rito, kung ilalagay ko to dito, nalalaglag, oh. Nalalaglag siya. Kaya, no? Oh. Pero if meron sanang ball locking mechanism dito, meron kasing mga ganon eh, meron mga screwdriver bits na may ball locking mechanism eh, maglalak sana siya in place. Kasi ngayon ang nangyayari kasi dito, kailangan mo pa siyang alalayan eh, otherwise malalaglag siya. So yun lang actually ang pinaka criticism ko dito, no? Otherwise this is a solid tool, a simple tool na you can carry with you every day. And yeah, it's a useful tool actually. So that's it for my very quick review of this simple multi-tool pry bar, and thank you for watching.